Hello everybody and welcome to the channel. Today I will teach you present perfect continuous tense. In this video we will discuss about the introduction to tenses, rules of forming sentences in present perfect continuous tense, conversion of sentences from affirmative form to negative, interrogative, negative interrogative and interrogative forms in present perfect continuous tense and the use of this tense. So let's begin with the introduction to tenses. Tense is a form of verb that expresses the time of action. So tense क्या होता है? Tense verb का वो form होता है जो हमें time of action बताता है. When the action took place, is it taking place now? Has it already taken place? Will it take place in future? Etc. There are basically three types and four aspects of tenses, and when we combine these three types and four aspects, we get all 12 tenses of English grammar. Now let's begin with present perfect continuous tense. What are the rules of forming sentences in this tense? Affirmative, subject, plus has or have, plus been, plus first form of verb, plus ing, plus object. Negative, subject plus has or have plus not plus been plus first form of verb plus ing plus object. Here we have just put not after has or have, the helping verb. Interrogative, we bring has have to the beginning of the sentence. Has have plus subject plus been plus first form of verb plus ing plus object. Negative interrogative, has have plus subject plus not plus been plus first form of verb plus ing plus object, or hasn't or haven't plus subject plus been plus first form of verb plus ing plus object. Now let's look at the example, one of the examples of present perfect continuous tense. Affirmative form, farmers have been plowing their fields since morning. Negative, farmers have not been plowing their fields since morning. Interrogative, have farmers been plowing their fields since morning? Negative interrogative, have farmers not been plowing their fields since morning? Or haven't farmers been plowing their fields since morning? Now the use of has and have. This is very important. Now where to use has and when to use have? If the subject is first person, that is I or we add have after the subject. I have, we have. If the subject is second person, that is you, we add have. You have. Third person, if the subject is third person singular, we add has after the subject, and if the subject is third person plural, we write have after the subject. He has, she has, they have. Got it? So if the subject is first person, अगर subject first person है I या we, तो have, I have, we have. Second person, you have. Third person singular, he has, she has. Third person plural, have, they have. Now the conversion of a sentence from affirmative form to negative, interrogative and negative interrogative. She has been waiting for you for a long time. So here has is used because the subject is she and she is third person singular. With third person singular only we use has, And with other subjects like first person, second person and third person plural, we use have. She has been waiting for you for a long time. Negative, she has not been waiting for you for a long time. So she has not. After has or have, we add not. So here we have added not after has. Has she been waiting for you for a long time? Has have plus subject plus been plus first form of verb plus ing plus object. So this is the rule that we have applied here. ये rule लगाया है हमने यहाँ पे. Negative interrogative. Has she not been waiting for you since for a long time? Hasn't she been waiting for you for a long time? So these are the conversions. This is how we convert a sentence from affirmative to negative, interrogative and negative interrogative by applying the rules that we have learned. Present perfect continuous tense use. Now what is the use of present perfect continuous tense? Where do we use this tense? Number 1, to link the past with the present. When we link the past action with the present happening, जब हम past को present से link करते हैं, when we say that the action continued in past and the results of it are still there, in such cases we use present perfect continuous tense. I have been receiving these blank calls for 4 days. मेरे को 4 दिन से blank calls आ रही हैं. मैं 4 दिन से blank calls receive कर रहा या कर रही हूँ. Okay? So, the action began in the past and is still continuing. Its effects are still there. In the present perfect continuous tense, we use since to indicate the starting point of time and for to indicate the period of time. So, the use of since and for. Since is used to indicate the starting point of time, tab se. Okay? So, if we indicate a particular point of time, जब हम बोलते हैं कि इस time से लेकर अब तक, in such case we use since. Otherwise, if we indicate the period of time, इस time से इस time तक, like for 5 years, for 4 years, 4 साल से अब तक. Okay? So this, if we indicate period of time, for is used to indicate the starting point of time, tab se. In such cases, since is used. Hope you have understood this well. Thank you so much everybody. Hope you have liked the video. Keep watching the videos to learn more. Thank you so much.